Okay. So if you're going to fail at something, fail miserably and film it. So I'm cutting a square hole in this PVC box and drilled a bunch of little holes in a square. And I realized, I was like, usually you take the drill it in, and then just waller it out until you hit the next hole and just keep going around. But I happen to have a 1/8 inch diameter end mill and a drill. So, you can see I already did a little bit here, but I wanted to actually film the rest of it. So when it gets really gnarly, I have video evidence of how gnarly it got. Oh, I got stuff everywhere. There you go. Hope that was fun.